I want to do a quick video to show a problem that I ran into and my little fix. Basically, this is a 1702 monitor, and the sound wasn't working on it. It turned out the speaker, which is at the very top right of the cabinet of the monitor, was blown, wasn't working. So it's a 4-inch speaker. I went and I got another 4-inch speaker and I put it in and learned that the magnet on that speaker is so close to CRT that it affects it quite a bit. And so I went online and did some research, and turns out there was another speaker, a shielded speaker, that someone else had used. So I went ahead and got that and put it in, and it is much better. However, there is still a little bit of discoloration in the top right, as you can see. I took apart the old speaker that came out of it, and because it had a shield on it, and I was kind of curious about, hey, would that shield work on my other speaker, or could I use that? And it turned out the inside of the other speaker had another magnet in it. Besides the speaker magnet, the shield itself had a magnet, and I thought that was interesting. And so I got the idea that what if I put a small neodymium magnet on the outside of the magnetic shield of the new speaker, if that would have an effect. Now, I've already done this, so I know it does, but I wanted to show it on camera. It's quite interesting. So as you can see, it's a little bit discolored. So I apologize for the scrolling. The screen's not in sync. My camera's not the greatest. But as you can see, I changed the border color to white just so you can see it better. But so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the magnet on the outside, and then you can see the difference. So I'm going to do that now. Right there. Okay. So it's a fix. It's quite a big difference. So I'm going to super glue that on the outside of the speaker shield, and that should be fine. The speaker works fine. What it's doing is it's pulling the magnetic field away from the CRT. I think it's similar to how the original was doing it. So I'll also post some pictures of the speaker itself and how I have the magnet. Shows it has a picture of the magnet. This is the old speaker right here, and I pulled the shield off right here, just glued on. But like you can see, here's the magnet for the speaker, this original speaker for the 1702, and then there's an extra magnet in here, which is inside the shield, which goes on this speaker right here. So what I basically did was now these are the magnets. I get this little pack of magnets at Home Depot for like $5, and so basically it's pretty small. And what I did was, just put it on the side like this of the other magnet, and I'll put a picture on there to show that. But that's all I did. I'll put a link down in the description for the replacement shielded speaker that I used in this repair. I hope this little video was somewhat entertaining. I really want to do a lot more, so please, if you can, like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it, as it would help me build this channel. Thank you for watching.